All right, so 5-2. To help you represent the situation problem 5-1, copy this number line down below on your paper. So we've got this number line here. You should have copied on your paper because remember you should be doing the problem, then watching the video. With your team, decide how to partition a line, divide it into equal parts so that 15% is showing. Why did you choose to make that number of parts? Is there another way you could have divided the line? So my suggestion is this. So we have 15% has to be somewhere in here. I want to get to 100. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to break this up into 20 equal pieces. And I don't think I'll be able to do it very well with my lines because they're going to be kind of thick. And I don't think I have any way that I can kind of make these thinner, fortunately. Yeah, I don't think so. So imagine this, that I've taken this line and I've cut it up into 20 equal pieces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So imagine I took my time and I made these all evenly spaced out. So I've got 20 pieces, all right? So if I've got 20 pieces, every one of these pieces is worth 5%, all right? So here's what I have going on now. So I know that 3 of these pieces, so I'm going to say this piece right here, this chunk, these 3 pieces, there is my 15%. All right? Because remember, every piece is worth 5. Remember, these need to be evenly spaced out. Sorry, I ran out of some room. So it says, why did you choose to make that number of parts? Well, because 5 will get me to 100, and also I needed 15, so 5's worked out really well. The amount of saturated fat in one cheesy mac is 3 grams. Where should 3 grams be labeled on the number line? Well, 15% is 3 grams, so I'm going to have this same amount now be my 3 grams. So notice how this chunk represents 3 grams. It also represents 15%. Add this number to your diagram, justify it. So I just told you kind of why I did it. Now use your diagram to help you decide how much saturated fat is in the recommended daily servings. Record your thinking. So now here is what I am thinking. That notice I have 3 chunks here. So each chunk, and I'm going to kind of try to blow this up. Hopefully this works out well. So one chunk, I guess I'm going to do this. So one chunk is going to be 5%. Because that would give me 5%, 10%, 15%. So each chunk is 5%. So I divided by 3. So that means I need to divide this by 3. So that means that every chunk is going to be 1 gram. So notice what we've got here. We've got 5, 10, 15%. 1 plus 1 plus 1 on top is my 3 grams. So this is that kind of true statement. So every one of these chunks is the same thing. All right. From here to here, one chunk is 1 gram, and that's also 5%. All right. Another chunk is going to be 1 gram, and it's going to be 5%. 1 gram, and it's 5%. All right. So notice as I do that, can I work my way up to 100? Well, every single one of these chunks is worth 1. So how many of these chunks do I have on top? Well, I have 20 of them. So I know that 100% is going to be the same thing as 20 grams. All right. So hopefully that helps.